y'all, welcome back to another Squeaky Clean Life video. You already know it's time to get this power hour in. We got so much done on this day. We're going to be cleaning window tracks, baseboards, moving furniture, and so much more. You do not want to miss this motivation. So let's get right into the cleaning.
Baby, you got me good, yeah, you got me bad. And you're bad as they come, boy. Through all the blue times and the sad, you're still there. So come on and unrock my heart, let it stop. I'm a fall in love, unlock my cups, rip them off. This is photo love, you'll be my anchor while I'm the sea for all eternity. I'm a fall in love.
So in the kitchen, I had to wash up these dishes. I cleaned out the fridge earlier that morning, so I went to get the dishes washed and put in the dishwasher after I unloaded the dishes from the previous night. And you guys stick around to the end to see if I actually made it in just an hour with this power hour, because sometimes we really do cut it close.
Riding that shotgun wasted. You got me good, yeah, you got me bad. And you're bad as they come, boy. Through all the blue times and the sad, you're still there. So come on and unrock my heart, let it stop. I'm a fall in love, unlock my cups, rip them off. This is voodoo love, you'll be my anchor while I'm the sea for all eternity. I'm a fall in love. I'm a fall in love, I'm a fall in love, I'm a fall in love, I'm a fall in love. So come on and unrock my heart, let it stop. I'm a fall in love, unlock my cups, rip them off. This is photo love, you'll be my anchor while I'm the sea for all eternity. I'm a fall in love, 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 I'm a fall in love. I was kidding myself. Now I know you don't love me, even though you said that you'd never leave me. Oh, but I know now I shouldn't trust a word that comes out of your mouth. I was kidding myself. Why did you have to turn into a liar? Now you're gone, right away from me, leaving me on my own. Can't you see? You had my heart in your hands. Why did you go? Why did you have to turn into a liar? Into a liar. Why did you have to turn it?
If you are new to my channel, I just want to welcome you and say hi. My name is Sean, and I'm a wife and a stay-at-home mom of 2, and I post power hour motivational cleaning videos every single week. So if that is something you're interested in, I would love to have you stay and join my YouTube family. Make sure you hit that notification bell and subscribe so you don't miss any of my future uploads. I hope you'll stick around to the end to see just how much I get done in these power hour videos.
You're gone, ran away from me, leaving me on my own. Can't you see? You had my heart in your rain. Why did you go? Why did you have to turn into a liar? Into a liar. Why did you have to turn into a liar? Into a liar.
wipe down these white cabinets because if you have white cabinets, you already know they show everything. And I also need to wipe down this range hood because it was a little greasy and just dirty and needed to be wiped because it had been a minute since I did it. I'll be honest with you guys, I am not perfect. I don't do everything every day, but what I do in these power hours help me to maintain my home every single day so that it doesn't get a complete wreck.
It's the way that it moves and the way that it laughs, so I can't get enough. Think about him all the time. I can't get him off my mind. Oh, I want him to be mine, to be mine. My heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. You know I want him now, 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 now. My heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. I told him I can be a fighter if you want. I'll be there to catch you if you fall. I can make it brighter when it's dark, when it's dark. I told him I would do it all for you, and I know you do it for me too. I can be a fighter if you want, if you want. Yeah, I can be a fighter. I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter if you want. Oh, the way that I feel, yeah, I know that it's real, 'cause I can get him out of my head. I don't care what we do, everything's feeling new, even if we stay in bed. My heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. You know I want him now, 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 now. My heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. I told him I can be a fighter if you want. I'll be there to catch you if you fall. I can make it brighter when it's dark, when it's dark. I told him I would do it all for you, and I know you do it for me too. I can be a fighter if you want, if you want. Yeah, I can be a fighter. I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter if you want. Yeah, I can be a fighter. I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter if you want. My heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. I wanna now, 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 now. Yeah, 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 yeah.
All right, after finishing the kitchen, we have 31 minutes left on the clock, and I was a little nervous because I took on a lot in this video, and the task that I needed to do in the living room, 30 minutes just seemed like not enough time, but you guys are going to see if I did or did not complete these tasks in just an hour. I am about to be cleaning the baseboards. I need to move these couches. I need to get this rug out of here because I have a new area rug coming. So I hope you guys stay tuned because in a future video you will get to see the new rug I chose for the living room. But let's just get this living room together.
If you want, I can be a fighter. If you want. Come a little closer. I wanna dance with you. Everything's moving slower. I don't know what it is you do. I've been looking at you all night, trying to figure you out. I just wanna make you smile. Hold your hand in my hand, looking at the sunset. Man, you're looking good tonight. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Falling in love. You set my wheels in motion. I'm going crazy for you. Eyes blue like the ocean. I can see you want this too.
So I started out spraying this Mrs. Meyer's multi-purpose cleaner, and I had to go grab the mold and stain mover. This Moldex is amazing. It does have bleach, so if you use it, just be mindful of that, but it works, okay? And I needed to get all of this up. I didn't have a fancy tool. I know people use those steamers now to do everything, but look, this rag is going to get it all the way together. And I instantly regretted not putting gloves on, but I'm just not a girl that cleans with gloves on. And that's okay. If you use gloves, that's fine too. But you know what? I just wash my hands when I'm done. It's okay.
Falling, yeah, I'm falling in love. Yeah, I'm falling in love. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. 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 Want to keep it nice and clean, not freak out and cause a scene. I try to hold it together, keep it together. Not sure who I really am, just be cute and super bland. I try to hold it together, keep it together. Been playing it down, but I'm so getting tired. Now won't you meet high? 'Cause I've been feeling that crazy, and I need to lose control. So baby, put the record on, baby, put the record on, hit it. And I've been needing that crazy, and I gotta let it go. So baby, put the record on, I'm not gonna need that song, hit it.
The last time I cleaned these baseboards was absolutely never. Okay. Yep. I said it. I have never cleaned these baseboards. Shame on me, but they were not that bad, honestly. They were pretty dusty, but they could have been worse. I really think that me and my husband are going to end up repainting all the baseboards in the house. When we moved here, everything had been completely renovated. This is an older home, but it's beautifully renovated. But the baseboards, they need a little coat of paint.
Down, but I'm so getting tired. Now won't you meet high? 'Cause I've been feeling that crazy, and I need to lose control. So baby, put the record on, baby, put the record on, hit it. And I've been needing that crazy, and I gotta let it go. So baby, put the record on, I'm not gonna need that song, hit it. 'Cause I've been feeling that crazy, and I need to lose control. So baby, put the record on, baby, put the record on, hit it. And I've been needing that crazy, and I gotta let it go. So baby, put the record on, I'm not gonna need that song, hit it. Come with me. I'm gonna get this party lit. Come with me. Let's do something we'll regret.
Come with me. I'm gonna get this party lit. Come with me. Let's do something we'll regret.
'Cause I've been feeling that crazy, and I need to lose control. So baby, put the record on, baby, put the record on, hit it. And I've been needing that crazy, and I gotta let it go. So baby, put the record on, I'm not gonna need written down the words to say. It is time. I've been waiting 5 days to explain how you make me feel inside. Baby, got it all figured out. Wanna do this right. There's no doubt in my mind. Baby, you're the one. And tonight I am going all the way. But when you touch my hand, it all goes away. The things I planned, the things I would say. Now I keep rambling on. I sound so cliche. What I am trying to do is say I love you. Ooh, 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 and all the things that you do.
So, moment of truth, I did not finish all my tasks in an hour, you guys. I still needed to mop, and that was just something that I had to get done. So, after the timer went off, I just stopped it and went to mopping. But I really hope you guys have enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to leave it a like if you do, subscribe if you're new, make sure that notification bell is on so you'll know every single time I upload. Leave me a comment. You know I love talking to you. And if you still need some motivation, I have a Power Hour cleaning playlist that you can check out. So just click on over there after you're done watching this video to get some more motivation.
You can take my breath away. Yeah, 'cause when you touch my hand, it all goes away. The things I planned, the things I would say. Now I keep rambling on. I sound so cliche. What I am trying to do is say I love you. Ooh, 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 and all the things that you do. Ooh, ooh, sounds like a fool 'cause when you touch my hand, the words goes away. What I am trying to do is let you know that when you touch my hand, it all just goes